practicing counting up by ones, fives, and tens. And we're going to be playing a game, and the game's called Frog Race. You'll be playing it with one of your family members. Now, pause the video now and practice counting up by fives all the way to 50. And then when you're done with that, practice counting up by tens all the way to 120.
So did you get a chance to practice counting up by fives and tens? Great. So now you are warmed up for this game. So again, Mr. Ouija is going to use a paperclip and a pen to use as a spinner. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we need to find out what number we're going to start on. I will be Polly, you can be Tad. Now, I'm going to put my pen right in the middle of the spinner, like so, and I'm going to spin the clip, and it lands on 20. It means that I'm going to be starting from number 20. So I'm going to put an arrow and a star to just mark and remind myself that this is the place that I'm going to be beginning. All right, I'll spin for you guys. Pen in the middle, spin the spinner. You land on 20 as well. So you're going to be Tad, and you're starting from the number 20. Who is going to get to 50 first? If I'm on 20 and you're on 20, what do you think? Who might reach 50 first? Now, friends, now that we have found out where we are going to start, I'm going to cover the spinner up so that we don't get confused, because from the rest of the time, we are going to be spinning this spinner. Now, you'll notice that this spinner has 1, 5s, and 10s, and you are going to be jumping by 1s, by 5s, or by 10s, and this is what it's going to look like. If you don't mind, I'm going to go first. Mr. Ouija. Okay, I'm going to change my pen to a marker so that you can see my jumps. So, I spin my spinner, and it lands in between 5 or 10. So you know what? I'm just going to go for the 5 right here. There you go. So, my starting point is at 20, and I'm going to make one big jump of 5. So, let me plan it. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5. One big jump of 5. So I'm going to draw my jump. I'm going to say that I'm going 1 jump, 5, like so. And I end up on, oh, look at that number. That number is 25. Let me write that down so that you can see it clearly. So, my equation for the jumps that I just made will be 20 plus 5 equals 25. Now it's your turn. Let me spin for you. So, you put your pen in the middle of the spinner, and then you spin the clip, and you land on 5 as well. So, starting from 20, you're going to make 1 jump of 5. Let's plan that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 jump of 5. And then you end up on 25. We're going to write down the equation. Starting from 20, adding 5 equals to 25. Do you see that? Okay, looks like we're tied still. Mr. Ouija's going to spin. Remember, our goal is to try to get to 50. Try to get to the finishing line. All right, I'm going to put my pen in the middle, and I spin the spinner, and I get 1. Let's see. I start on 25. I make 1 jump of 1, like this. 1. What number is after 25? 25, 26. So I end up on 26. So I'm going to mark it like this. I might even challenge myself by writing an equation. 25 plus 1 equals 26. Okay, now it's your turn to spin. You put the pen in the middle of the spinner, and then you spin, and you'd end up on 1 again. Looks like we are really, really tied with each other. So, you start with 25, you make one jump of 1. You put in +1 to show that you made one jump of 1, sorry. And then you write down the number that you started from, which is 25, the number of jump that you've made, and then the number you end up on, which is 26. All right, Mr. Ouija is going to go again. I'm going to put my spinner down, and I'm going to roll, and it says 10. So, I'm going to get ready. I'm going to start on 26, because that's the last place I landed, and I'm going to make one jump of 10. Oh my goodness. Now, if I really challenge myself, I will think of the equation 26 plus 10 equals. 26 plus 10 equals, and I can make that huge jump to the place that I'm going to land on. If I'm not feeling so confident, I can use the strategy counting one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's the curve that I'm going to draw. That's one jump of 10. Okay, what number is after 35? 36. So I know that 26 plus 10 equals to 36. Who's the closest to the finishing line now? Mr. Ouija or the class? Yes, it will be Mr. Ouija because I have the bigger number. All right, now it's your turn. Let's see. Spin the spinner, and it lands on 1. So, the last number that you were on, 26, you're going to make one jump of 1. You're going to write down the number of jump that you've written, and you're going to write down the equation. 26 plus 1 equals 26. 27. 27. Make sure you record the number that you jumped to. 27. Remember, you are going to try to get to the finishing line, friends. So try your best to spin numbers, if luck is in your favor, to get to 50 first. You may go past the number. All right, if you're ready, get started. Have fun.